What is the problematic of the problem?
There is no problematic.
Order. Okay. It's enough. Order.
You know what?
Only Oshiwambo people can shit.
I can hardly hear.
Everybody else is lazy to shit. And the country's full of shit.
I know.
And the smell comes from the parliament. Only Oshiwambo people can shit.
I can hardly hear.
Everybody else is lazy to shit. And the country's full of shit. And the smell comes from the parliament.
I can
Please,
hardly
next time when you see me, please tell me I'm full of shit. It sickens me to my stomach. So what up? And when it smells, I just wanna let you know I don't have a toilet, and I don't take shit from anyone. I agree with you. This is a very shitty song, and it stinks and it smells.
Now what I'm suggesting.
One Namibia, one nation, peace and prosperity. Oh, you can flush it down the toilet until the day you give me a little piece of toilet paper. Only Oshiwambo people can shit. Everybody else is lazy to shit. And the country's full of shit. And the smell comes from the parliament. Only Oshiwambo people can shit. Everybody else is lazy to shit. And the country's full of shit. And the smell comes from the parliament. Mr. Speaker, I've got a very serious motion. And honestly, if the shit starts in this August house,
Let's leave it there.
and
Let's leave it
imagine when the shit runs down the neighborhood. Oh shit, too late when the shit hits the fan.
What is the problematic of the problem?
Mr. Speaker,
The problematic of the problem is that we in Namibia,
please, Mr. Speaker,
we don't want to construct toilets. I know. Go to the north in Ozambola. Everybody, families try to build something.
only Oshiwambo people can shit. Everybody else is lazy to shit. And the country is full of shit. And the smell comes from the parliament. Only Oshiwambo people can shit.
Yeah.
Everybody else is lazy to shit. And the country is full of shit. And the smell comes from the parliament.
Because people are lazy, they don't want to do something.